Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. And to do this, you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Right here, find an app called NotifyBuddy. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch this app. Right here, go to the next step and allow all permissions to the app. And last thing right here is battery optimization, which you can disable, but it's optional, so let's skip that. From now, you can start using this app, and in the user, choose different apps to allow for custom LED lamp notifications. In the system, you can find all apps that are bound to your system. In active, there's apps you just activated, and there's also ads. So let's skip them. And right here in the settings, you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, or the color. Click on test to see the LED lamps, and right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.